Alright, so here's a plug. Okay, so just, let's plug this in. Okay. Now it's plugged in. Pink Floyd. Oh wait, well, I probably didn't. I hope I didn't sell that music, but anyway, so that was in ambience. Anyway, so the radio works, and then and then if you're playing your tape here, right? Oh my God, I took the plug out. Oh crud, let's see here. Works on batteries too, isn't that cool? Alright, so much for that. So now, I've got this one here, and I also have this one here. And in all the pictures I took, I finally got around to taking the, where'd it go? Finally got around to taking the piece of blue tape off of this one there. So here is another 5050 that I was able to repair because I had the first one here because I didn't have a pair of these. And I've always wanted to see the inside of that, so again, where's my tape that was in this one? Or just get another tape here. Let me get this tape. Make this tape famous. So, swipe this way, that, this. And this is, you know, I didn't even plug it in. It's got batteries, it's got dead batteries in here, so put it on radio. Do that all day long. Okay, so you know this, right? And of course this plays the tape too, so you hit that, flip, no, wrong button. So there's the tape. It's got a balance. Anyway, and so it's running on dead batteries. And that's all I wanted to show. And then lastly, I guess, if I can do both cameras at the same time, because I have to ship this off to Timbuktu, I went out today and bought, let's just take this off of here. I had to go out and buy packing material, so there's the packing material. 19 minutes on this. Oh crud, this will be too, well, okay, I just can't say enough in all these videos. I used the wrong camera anyway. So, I'll just copy this video that's in Facebook. I'll just copy it off of here. And, well, what am I trying to show? Okay. Alright, this will be two videos. Part 1 and Part 2. That's fine. Alright, so then lastly, back over here in the corner, I got another tape. Let's see here. Here's a tape. I don't know what this is. Christmas music. Whoopee. Okay. So here's this. I don't know if you can see me in this, or here's this tape deck here. This is a Sanyo, what is it? Sanyo M-V40K. And this has been sold along with the Panasonic National Panasonic RX-5050F because it has shortwave. This has shortwave as well. Okay. And let's see. And then this has batteries in it as well. Did I plug? I forgot to plug. I made a video earlier which you haven't seen yet because I haven't had time to post it because it just takes so much time to do all this stuff. So here's this radio here, and this, let's see here. Turn the radio on. Give it some volume. Tune it to something. Flip it on.
Oh man, a bite.
Anyway, you get it, it works great, and then here's this Christmas music, so there's the play button here. And we can cue it find it and go to there and stop and hit eject and take it out and put this down, and so that's all I know. Alright, so this has been sold, that's been sold. I have the other 5050 if anybody's interested in it. Okay, it'll be for sale sometime soon in the future, but I just wanted to show that I've gone through both these radios. Wait, turn this back around to here. Alright, I've gone through both these radios, and yeah, I've gone through both these radios. So this one all works. This one works a little bit better than that one does, but this one has, they both have different issues because they're both old. They're both from, oh, that's what it was. What was the date code on the motor? 82 or 84? Where is the motor date code thing? Wait, here. So this is from 82. So 82 is what, 18 years? And this is 19, so 18, 19, that's 37 years old, right? 37 years old, and people want them to work like they're brand new, right? So that's all I know. 37 years old. I got to race off to work, okay? So got to race off to work. So tomorrow will be get off from work, come home, and package these things up. Okay, and I'll be packing these things up. And let me just once again say this. I decided I'm going to do a box in a box. So these will be both shipped together, but they'll be boxed. Wait, this one will be boxed in that box. Those two boxes go inside the big box. There we go. And I got some bubbles. I don't normally buy them, but I can't find the ones I have in the garage, so bought some more. And that's all I know, right? So like that, like this, and yeah. And I gotta go. All right, so let me finish this. Say goodbye to the Facebook people. All right, well here, let's just say it like this. Okay, goodbye Facebook people. Bye-bye. And this is 23 minutes long, so it'll be 2 videos, but what can I say? All right, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta run to work. Put this down. There's that. Here's this. 24 minutes. Woohoo. Okay, I gotta stop this. Thanks for watching, and I'll wave to you, but then I gotta go. All right, bye-bye. Good day. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so.